So look, family, I got my hot fiance here. We want to show you guys what we do up in the Dougly Ever After world over here. We do this thing called VR date nights. You ready to get your tail whooped?
I don't know about all that, but are you?
I guess we'll see. Welcome back to Getting Things Done, where we motivate you to get things done through faith and relevant technology. How are you doing today, you gorgeous masnookity? Okay, off camera. So listen, folks, what we want to talk about today is one of our actual favorite newer games that we've been playing on VR, because we've been playing VR for what, about a good year now?
Yeah.
And so we have been doing VR date nights for a while now, but there's one game that recently came out a couple of months ago. I'm a big bowler person. She likes to do a bowl. Now, she's actually pretty. I'm not going to lie to you guys.
I really am good.
She's really good at bowling. So now in virtual reality, she
really good.
Murks the heck out of me. But tonight is my night, because the cameras are going to be rolling, and tonight's the night. So let's get into some ForeVR Bowl. Let's go. Okay, folks, so we are finally in ForeVR Bowling. So it's called ForeVR, like ForeVR Bowling, so ForeVR Bowl. Some people call it ForeVR VR Bowl, but man, look. Anyway, I'm excited because I told y'all I want to kick this girl's tail, and I gotta see where my baby is. Let me see. Is she over here? She's not over there. Let me see. Oh, whoa, there she is. Hey, baby.
Hey.
So, you know, I gotta get a little close, you know, look at you, baby. No, back up. Don't you back up. Don't you back up. Oh, yeah, go ahead and fish bump me. Go ahead. Yeah, that's right. All right, well, let's go ahead and get into a game. Y'all did not come to see us fist bump. Hopefully not. All right, so we gotta choose a side. I'm gonna choose Dracula. I always choose Dracula. Yes, I'm playing for Dracula. Yeah, let's go. All right, so we are in the game, folks. So just get ready, because this is about to get real. Me and the fiance is about to get it in. You did. All right, so first thing I need to do is cut this music down, because I don't want no copyright issues. Baby, you're in here? Where you? Uh-oh. There you are. Hey. All right.
Hey.
I can see you now. All right, so let me get my ball here. As you guys can see, I got different type of balls, but y'all did not come here to see my balls. Hopefully not.
Oh my God.
All right, here we go. All right. Oh, all right. Oh man. Okay. All right. Now. All right. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Okay. That was horrible. That's all right. That's okay. That's all right. I'm gonna move out my baby away so she can bowl. You know what I'm saying. Good luck, baby. Look at her. Look at she. Look at this split. Look at the split. All right, here we go, folks.
Let me get back.
Yeah, hey. Where you at? Come here. No, hey. What you say now, girl? What you say?
Your
you
turn.
Can you blow a little bit? All right. Let's go. Let's see. I tried to curve it, y'all. Okay, that did not. I'm gonna have to load a little sound effect in right there. All right, let's see here. That was a little better. All right, but look, baby, let's go show them around real quick before you bowl the next one. Let's go show them around. Let's go to the dance floor a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Now, y'all can't hear this music, but right now, you know, it might be playing a little bit of that. You know what I'm saying? Lean back or something in the Brooklyn club. Where you at? Oh, there she go. Oh. Right here in the air. Oh, look at this lady right here. What you doing? What you doing? My girl said I can't dance with you. Anyway, let's get back. All right, baby. Let's go back. All right, here we go. All right, now it's time to get serious, y'all.
Oh, you wasn't serious before?
Nah, I wasn't serious before, y'all. Let me recenter real quick. There we go. I wasn't serious at first. That's not serious either. That's not serious, y'all. Either. Come on. That's not serious either, folks. All right. Let's see. I'm trying to do my little curve move, and it's not working for me. All right, I'm gonna have to just bowl straight on to whoop you today. That's all right. That's all right. Nah, look at her. Look at her.
Whatever you need to do, baby.
Now, see how she talking noise? Y'all see this, huh?
Bam!
Oh no! Not a strike. Okay. Congratulations. All right, now move out my way. Move out my way. All right. See, now she don't gave me the determination I needed now. Oh God! Come on, man!
No!
I do not normally bowl like this, people. All right, come on. You were supposed to get that last one. Oh, they just all right. You know what? I'm gonna just leave her down here. I'm gonna go over here and talk to these people over here, man. What y'all doing over here, man? What's up, folks? Huh? Nobody want to talk to me? What she get? She didn't get it. You got another strike? Nah, you ain't get another strike.
Nah, I ain't getting another strike, but it's finna be. I'm finna get these last two.
No, you not. All right. All right. The music that you hear right now is actually coming from my own systems, but all right, spare. Yeah. But the music is jamming. And one cool thing, I'm gonna show them this. I'm gonna show them the jukebox. Me and my girl learned this, that if you want to listen to the same music together, because the game for some reason doesn't have the music playing the exact same timing at the moment. So you can actually go onto the YouTube here, the web player, you both hit the same mix at the same time, and basically it'll play the same songs. What's up, man? How you doing over there? All right. Y'all see my girl. All right, baby. You did a good job. You know what? Let me come on, man. Let me give you a little pump. There we go. A little pump. Now move out my way, fine. Now, baby, come on. All right, let's see. All right, let's get in here. I'm trying to get my stuff right here. All right. We doing a little bit better. All right, come on. Yeah, there we go, baby. There we go. Let's catch up with her now. We can't let her beat us now. Hey, baby.
Oh,
hey,
so
baby.
it's me against everybody?
Yeah, we can't let her beat us now. You know, the getting done, this getting things done nation. You know, we cannot. Oh, that's all right. That's okay, baby. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? It happens to the best of us. Amen. It happens to the best of us. Oh, she threw that with vengeance. Was that meant for me? Was that meant for me, baby? I hope not. Let's see. You know what we should have did? We should have bet something for this. I should have been like, I bet you do the dishes for the next 5 days by also calling me the king of snaggadaggery. Man, come on. All right, I'm letting her win, y'all. If y'all didn't notice.
Whatever.
I'm letting her win. Look. Ooh, vengeance. Don't look at me like that. I saw you. Hold on. Look at me. Let me say something. Don't be acting up for the camera now. Don't be acting up for the camera. Oh, and then she got the strike. Okay. All right. I ain't gonna lie. That was dope. All right. All right. Here we go.
Come on, baby. You got it.
You know what? I think just because you said it, strike. See, that's what it's like. Now I need a kiss. I need a kiss. No. Come on over here. Mwah. All right. I need a kiss for that one. All right, baby. You got this, baby.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, no. Come on. We neck and neck right now. She's 76 on 65. Let's see. Oh.
Boo.
I know. Look, your boo just affected me.
Boo. No.
Come on, man. She's still 1 point ahead of me. Come on, that don't make no sense. Doubles. Come on, end it strong, honey. End it strong, honey.
Oh.
It's all right. That's okay. That's all right. That's good. All right. Yeah. Back in my day, you see. Ooh, doggy. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and give me a ball like. Let's see. Oh. didn't have the same luck she has, you know. She said it ain't luck, baby.
Fish bowl.
Oh wait, let me get a close up. Let me get the camera close up on that. Look at that, y'all. Little fishes in there. That's crazy. All right. It only lasts for 24 hours. Malo! 92. Okay, come on. If she don't pick up this last thing, I might can make it, y'all. I need y'all. I need the whole J Done, Getting Things Done Nation. Oh, no! Oh, no! She got the spell, y'all. Go ahead, you got one more hit, baby.
Oh.
Oh, Lord. Okay, Lord. All right, J Done Nation, I need y'all to be praying. Oh, Lord! Your girl got a strike. She won the game. It didn't even let me go, y'all. It was like, yeah, you done. You're done. Okay. You know what? All right, so we're gonna go back. I'll tell you what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna go back to the lobby. We're gonna show you some of the other places that you can play. Okay, folks, so what we're about to do now is just kind of show you some of the other cool places you can have for ForeVR Bowl, 90s Hall, the Lunar Lanes, Lost City Bowl, which is really cool, Bumper Paradise. But my personal favorite, which they got other ones, but my personal favorite, the one we're going to show you, the last one we're going to show you is Studio 300. It's a 70s theme, and man, we love the music that plays in there and everything like that. You won't be able to hear it. Oh yeah, she's like nodding her head. She's like, yes, I love it. So, all right, let's go ahead and enter into Studio 300. It's going to load us right into the world. And of course, it is the bowling alley, but we also enjoy the dancing and the partying. Well, you'll see it in just a second. It's going to be crazy. All right, so here is Studio 300, everybody. Look at that. Once again, you still have your web player over there. Guys over here dancing. You know, where you at, babe? You want to go to the dance floor?
Oh, I'm here.
Oh, up. Let's go. Yeah, come on. Yeah, okay. What you doing right here? Oh, okay. What, you got some moves? I see you. Yeah. All right, where my baby at? What she doing? Who's she dancing with? Uh-oh. Oh, she over here by herself. That is. What you doing, girl? This dude be here. I swear this dude right here, he be getting down, man. Look at him. Go, man. Get down. All right. Yeah. All right, baby, you got anything to say to the people before we go?
Y'all come back next time. We had so much fun with y'all.
Now we got to go on our real date. This is the real date moment now. Y'all can't see the rest of this. All right, so that is ForeVR Bowl. Baby, how did you enjoy
It was
that?
so much fun.
It was a lot of fun. And we not going to say I lost or she won or I won.
The score is what the score is.
The score is what the score is. Let the score be what the score is. But you know what score that matters the most to me? Is that you're subscribed.
Yeah.
That you subscribe. So go ahead. If you like the content, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. Come on, share it out there with your people. And make sure you subscribe for more content because I promise you, we got a lot more content coming. What?
Real soon.
Real soon. Peace.